So then, having reviewed the science, what kinds of impacts might we expect to see manifested in different types of geographic regions? So in urban areas, you have large concentrations of assets, so there's a big potential for exposure. Currently, the biggest driver of risk is not changes in the climate, it's growth in exposure because of increasing urbanization, economic growth, population growth. And these drivers mean that when you have an event in a certain place, there is a lot more there to lose than there would have been 50 years ago or 100 years ago. Over time, however, the climate system will begin to become a bigger and bigger source of risk as well. Some of the things that are very certain to happen include sea level rise, for example. As the oceans warm, as the ice melts, the sea level will rise and it will flood low-lying coastal areas. Small island developing states are particularly concerned about this because they have an existential risk if they're completely submerged. The ocean is acidifying because of the absorption of carbon dioxide. This acidification affects coral reefs, it affects marine economies, it has indirect effects on fisheries, and those effects translate into food security risks in some cases. Temperature increases can affect agriculture, and they have direct impacts in the form of heat waves on human health.